Bored of the way you cook your minced beef? Well, I have a great minced beef recipe for you. Cuban Picadillo. It will all start with chopping one yellow onion. The cut that you should aim for the onions is cubes. Followed by green bell pepper. Don't forget to remove the white part that hangs with the seed for the bell pepper. You don't want that in your frying pan. We need the same cut with the green bell pepper, cubes. You should have equal amounts of onion and green bell peppers. And don't forget a few cloves of garlic. Crushed and finely chopped. For this recipe, we're also gonna need some green olives. You need to get green olives without the bit. All you have to do is cut them in half. Get your frying pan, add in your good frying olive oil. Heat the oil up. Once your oil is hot enough, it's time to add in the onions and the green bell pepper together. Fry them until they soften a little bit. Then you add in your minced beef. Cook your minced beef until no red meat remains. Add in some salt. After a few minutes of cooking, it's time now to stir in the garlic. Then add in your tomato sauce. Here I'm using a canned tomato sauce. You can use any type of tomato sauce, canned or bottled, but make sure it has no extra flavors like onions, garlic, basil. It's just pure tomato sauce. That's why I'm using canned. For the cooking time, it will be in 5 minutes intervals. Onion and green bell peppers will need 5 minutes. Minced beef, 5 minutes if it's at room temperature. If it's cold, you might need a longer time. Also, in this recipe I used about 1 pound, which is about 440 grams of minced beef. For the garlic, we also stirred it in for 5 minutes. We also gave the tomato sauce 5 minutes to cook. Then we need to go in with the spices. We have 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Add those in. Stir that in and cook for 5 minutes before adding the olives and raisins in equal amount. For the olive and raisins, you don't need that much cooking. You just want to heat them up a little bit. 2 minutes on the heat and 2 minutes off heat. With that, your picadillo is done. Traditionally, you can serve the picadillo with rice and black beans. I am not going with tradition. I'm serving it with couscous. It works beautifully. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up and sharing the videos with your friends.